Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So hope you all are doing good. Before I get into this video, let me wish you all a very happy new year. So let's hope that 2021 will be far better than 2020. So today's video is all about this. It's a dream cut machine. It's by the brand Little Birdie. So Itsy Bitsy brand sent this over to me. So I'll be using this machine for all my upcoming tutorials for Itsy Bitsy brand. Before I move on to more details about this machine, I wanted to share something. So if you're a beginner who's watching this video, please do not invest on big machines. Like you are just a beginner, so start using basic tools for crafting like pencil, scale. Maybe you can try scoring tool. It costs less, like around 100 to 150 rupees. So later, maybe like after 1 or 2 or 3 years, start investing on tools. Even that is not necessary. So before you invest on tools, like do lot of research, search on Google, Amazon and whatever. Even you can ask crafters whom you trust or whom you think who will help you. So I think that's a better way, because I have invested in few tools and I do not use them, but still I keep buying them because I don't know, I love buying all these tools and all. I'll be doing a tools video soon, so you can check that out when I upload it. I'll be like pinning the comment in the description part when I upload it. So yeah, that's it. Now we can move on to more details about this dream cut machine. The dream cut machine came in this beautiful box. The package was overall a bit heavy, but let's see what's inside it. The dream cut machine is well protected by the thermocols on both the sides. This plastic pouch contains the basic tools required for dream cut and of course a warranty card. Apart from this warranty card, the plastic pouch contains a leaflet and plates for dream cut. The leaflet contains all the details regarding how to use this dream cut. So the plates, these are the main things for a die cutting machine. There is plate A, plate B and plate C. So how to place all these plates in order to get a sandwich form, all these things are mentioned in the leaflet. And here comes the dream cut. It is super handy and light in weight compared to the other die cutting machine that I have. Also it is budget friendly. So you can check out Itsy Bitsy online store to buy this Little Birdie dream cut machine. You can also use my coupon code, that is Atira5. I'll be mentioning it somewhere on the video and also on the description part. This dream cut machine has grips under it and I think that's very useful. Now let us attach this handle. The tools to attach the handle is included in this set. So this is the handle. Then here comes the tool to insert the screw. And then there is a plastic cap. And finally a screw. Now let's try the dream cut. These are the plates and the first two black sheets are accessory pads, and these are used when you want to provide more pressure while cutting felt or any other fabrics. Next, there are two leaflets, so please do read the leaflet properly before you start using a dream cut. All the details and everything is provided in these leaflets. And as I mentioned before, there are three type of plates, that is plate A, B and C. Plate A is quite thick compared to plate B and C. Okay, next we require metal dies to cut out various patterns. So these metal dies is available on Itsy Bitsy online store. I think the cost starts from 350 rupees. You can avail a 5% discount whenever you buy any product from Itsy Bitsy using my coupon code ADIRA5. Again, I'll be mentioning this somewhere in the video, so you can check that out. Now let's learn how to cut a thin cut die. For that, all the information is provided in the leaflet. I'm going to follow all the instructions. Here I have taken a thin cut die. Next, you will have to take plate A. See, it's mentioned over here, plate A. So first take base platform A. And then you can keep that inside the dream cut. Just like this. Okay, for the sandwich, next we are going to take platform B. This is plate B. So place this plate B on top of plate A. Next, you will have to take the cutting die. And the cutting die should be facing up. It is very important. Please make sure the cutting die is faced up. Next, place a paper on top of the die. And finally, you can place the last plate, that is plate C, on top of the paper. Now our sandwich is ready. Now what you have to do is just rotate the handle. So while you keep rotating the handle, the platform will go inside and will come out through the other side. Ta-da! It's done. The marks on the plate is quite normal. Do not worry about that. You can take out the paper and just look at this. You have got a thin and neat cut. It's super. It's perfect for our scrapbooks, simple cards or anything. in this way you can use different dies to cut out beautiful designs. But before you start using the dream cut, please do make sure that you read the leaflet properly. So all the details for thin cut dies, heavy duty dies and embossing, everything is provided in the leaflet. So, and I'm absolutely in love with this dream cut. If you're planning to buy a budget friendly die cutting machine, then you can definitely go for this. I really hope you found this video useful. If you found this video useful, please do hit the like button, and also if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe. You can also hit the bell icon, so whenever I upload a new content, you will get a notification. So that's